this is Rakhi Sharma from Sitare TV, and we have Akshay Patra folks over here. So let me welcome Geeta Kulkarni,
Thank you, Rakhi, for having us.
and we also have Lakshmi Sarabara here.
Thank you for having us over, Raki. It's great to be at the TICON 2024 again.
Fantastic. So let me ask you, Geeta, so what are the amazing things Akshay Patra is doing nowadays?
See, for the newcomers and people who don't know about Akshay Patra is the world's largest midday meal program run by in partnership with the government, and we serve 2.1 million children every day across 16 states and 2 union territories. We cover 25,000 schools, and this is a strategic intervention just to motivate children to come to school and enhance their educational performance.
Definitely, I know. You guys are doing really good. In fact, I was in Jaipur and visited Akshay Patra, and I saw that you guys are making a lot of difference. So thank you so much for that. So could you please tell us a little bit more about what are the next set of things that you are looking to do?
See, I'm so happy to let you know that Akshay Patra just got recognized at UN headquarters in New York for feeding, we achieved a mark of feeding 4 billion meals, and we are helping the UN to address the zero hunger sustainable development goal, and we celebrated the 4 billion meal in New York on 2nd April 2024, and we are looking forward to our next mark of 5 billion meals maybe by this or next year. And right now we have Akshay Patra USA is a fundraising arm for Akshay Patra India, and we have 40 active chapters in the US, and we look forward to work with a lot of corporate as well as individuals, and we have many youth ambassadors who are supporting us. So we raise funds and we send it to India. So out of $1, 91 cents goes to the beneficiary, and 9% is the administration cost. And it requires $20 to feed one child for entire school year. So when we talk about entire school year in India, it is around 232 days in a year. So you know that your dollar goes a long way to support. So we would urge all of you to support Akshay Patra and encourage more and more children to come to school and get educated.
Definitely, we are going to would like to ask you, Akshay Patra, but why are you at TICON 20? And then how is it helping you?
That's an interesting question, Raki. Great question again. Again, at the TICON 2024, like I've always said, technology is the bridge between making a connection, be it to a nonprofit world, and like our inspirational leaders always say, every industry is a technology industry. To what we heard today, this morning, from the our CEO of NVIDIA, Mr. Jensen Huang, and Naveen Chadha, it is in excellence of giving that we are making an impact. It is in the choices that we make that we are meeting the purpose. And capacity is that is for each one here to take away what they want to reach in their capacity, using AI as a technology to meet the impact. And coming to Akshay Patra, our food technology chain is greatly impacted by predictive AI. We've had HPC containers in the previous years, like you've seen, making a difference to our technology, and now AI is in the forefront. Put technology in the forefront at all times, and which is what the TICON gives us every year. And so this is what we are giving and taking away for learning and growth from everyone to meet the purpose for this great cause, which is the greatest NGO in the world, serving the 4 billionth meal, which scaled beyond capacity. Like from where we started 20 years ago and where we are today. So we are grateful, thankful, and with gratitude to our inspirational leaders for giving us the insight and the guiding light for us to be here and make the impact through technology year after. Thank you very much.
That is amazing. I love your response, because the way you have beautifully put the technology together and how TICON is benefiting you. So would you like to tell a little bit about how TICON 2024 is helping you right now and in the future as well?
The TICON helps us in connecting to the ecosystem itself. There is no categorization in this industry anymore saying technology is the only technology industry. Every industry that comes here, we see non-profits, we see healthcare, we see hardcore technology industries coming here. We are connecting with everyone to not only bring monetary contribution, we are asking everyone to optimize on the opportunity to connect with their technology and contribute to causes that are here today in the TICON. So that's the biggest impact that we can make for humanity, standing here from the Akshay Patra Foundation. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Rashmi, for giving all the insights to us, and thank you so much, Geeta, for the information. Yeah, and so I would like to say, please join Akshay Patra and help support their cause. And I think it's a really wonderful way to support the community, support the kids. And thank you so much.
Visit our website.
Yeah, could you please tell us your website?
Yes, it is apusa.org.
One more time.
It is apusa.org.
Okay, thank you so much. And welcome again to TICON 24. I hope you get really good results out of it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sitare TV.
Okay.